Welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise Show. And I got a power cord thing here that goes, it's a cigarette lighter plug to a, what do they call this? Anderson power pole. And this little go box here has got a SO239 connector built into it. And so this hooks up to this radio here. It's a little QYT 79000D, and this box was gifted to me from a fellow ham, Shafu. Let me see. So anyway, hold on one second here. I'm doing this actually in my Pop's vehicle here. Hold on. Well, this thing's got a voltmeter. The battery in here is dead, so I'm not running off that. It won't take a charge anymore. Even got a built-in swing-out light LED. It's pretty cool, and it's got a battery and UPS thing, built-in fuse. Anyway, I'm going to fire this up real quick. And give me 1 second. Okay, I got the SARNET Christmas repeater in here. The frequency I have to display channel for something else calling. There's all different things on here. I just have it set to one monitor thing right now, just for demonstration purposes. The volume here, speakers front firing, and it's just got a little gap here. The plug is in the back, so you can't really get to it to hook an external speaker. I try it, and the fan's been relocated to underneath here, so it's got the fan's been remounted to underneath, and it's got a pretty cool setup here. And I'm going to go up to this channel here. This is the SARNET, and if you give me a second, I'll do a quick test and see how this thing was working. This antenna is probably about 35 miles away, and it's tall, and this is a statewide system, but I want to check it to see if I can, anybody can hear me okay. I'll give you a test here. Hold on 1 second. This is KN4AQJ, Kilo November 4 Alpha Quebec Juliet, testing a QYT 79000D here in Edgewater with a mag mount antenna. Just want to see if I'm getting into the Christmas machine okay. Oh, maybe they didn't. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you're getting into the Christmas machine about 75% quieting, K400E.
Thank you, Pat. Just wanted to say thanks for everything you do, and great job there. I'm running about, I'm on low power here. It's probably 20 watts maximum, and I'm about 30-something miles away from the repeater here. I'm on near the coastal, and I'll be, I'm a Sky One spotter, so I'll be monitoring some of those storms as they kind of go from west to east there, as they usually do. And I usually have the system on one of the scanners going just in case as a supplemental information thing. So great job as always, and I just wanted to say thank you for all you do and everybody else, and thanks for all the information and all the good that you guys do. Back to you there, Pat. This is KN4AQJ, and we'll be clear on your final.
Well, thank you for the kind words. We got a lot of good people on here, including yourself. We all work together, and that 20 watts is sufficient. That's all you need. Good copy. We could take traffic all day long. So take care down there, and we'll be watching the weather. Hopefully, it'll give us a chance here to get some sleep before it gets nasty. This is Kilo 4, November Romeo Delta.
Okay, Pat, sounds good. Yeah, I'm going to go finish watching a little bit of this Svengoolie. I watch that once in a while on Saturdays here on MeTV, so it's sometimes I get a kick on some of the stuff that he does. So, okay, I'm going to after that, I'll take a little nap and maybe get some rain a little bit later. It's been kind of dry here. So, all right, I'll take care, and I'll take a look at that radar in a little bit here. So, 73 to you and everybody else. K4NRD, this is KN4AQJ, we'll be clear. That's a real nice system here. I just want to see what you think of the, it's like a green display, gray and black, and then changes colors to red when you transmit. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you like that little demonstration of my QIT system here.